Hey guys, Juan and Robert here. We're here in a nice cold winter afternoon. Robert and I are up and coming YouTubers, you can say. And one of the things that we always try to do is have the best kind of quality sound. And that's something that we've been lacking with some of our videos in getting good crisp sound whenever we do interviews with our guests. So we were looking around Amazon and we came around this set right here. It's from Bietrun. It is a wireless microphone set that will work on your iPhone, on your GoPro, and your DSLR. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and see what all it comes with it, and do a couple of test shots with them too. So Robert, review.
Awesome, sounds good. And all right, let's open these bad boys up and see what they come with. Let's see, I'll take these gloves off. All right, so the packaging looks pretty well packaged in there. So comes with, of course, your wireless, or your charger. Sorry, it's not wireless, obviously, but it's like an Android charger. And then you got your adapter there for your headphone jack. Comes with instructions, of course, and a thank you note from the company itself. Comes with a cool little carrying case. It's like a felt baggie. And then, oh, and by the way, there's a packaging it comes with. It's like a styrofoam kind of package. And then here's the main microphone that goes on to the interviewer, right?
Right.
And it has a pretty sturdy clip, as you can see.
Yeah, so it does a good job at clipping on to, whatever clothing you're gonna grip it to. So,
and then we got the transmitter here. Now it's it's small, so it's nothing crazy, especially when you're trying to plug it into your GoPro.
Yeah,
it seems like the build of the quality is pretty good. Although, I mean, it does come from China, but they're not the most expensive. And
no, these were $30 from Amazon. We'll put the link on the description so that you guys can link out to it after the video and after you like and subscribe. Of course, we got a business to run here, but yeah, it's a good quality for what I can see right now. The installation or operation is really easy. Like I said, this goes to either your GoPro adapter, your iPhone, your Android, or your DSLR. And there's just a on and off switch down here. Turn that on, you get this clipped up, you turn that on, they sync up, and you're good to go. So, and whatever device you're recording in is basically, you're just going to use that microphone as its audio source. So we'll go ahead and clip this on real quick and do a couple of tests with all three of the cameras, phones, all that, so that we can go ahead and test the distance. We're going to do 6 feet, 15, and 30 feet, so we can see what kind of range it has and the quality, if it suffers, if any. So let's go ahead and try it out.
All right, here we go. So this is about where our 15-foot was. You got what, like 30 feet right here? You still hear him? Say this is about 50 feet. All right. This right here is about 100 feet. The what? I said I think this is about 100 feet right here. So hopefully it doesn't lose signal, but I don't think anyone's gonna have to use any, I mean, how are you gonna record something that far and want sound for it? So I think if it does record it from that far, that's a good mic there for me, or for anyone wanting a wireless, affordable wireless mics. All right, guys, so the first test was with our GoPro. Now we're doing it on Juan's iPhone 12 Max, and then we'll see how far we can get with this. So here we go. So we did this is about 15 feet, right? And we got like about 30 feet here. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. about 50 feet here. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. And here we're about at 100 feet. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So again, I think these mics are pretty good for the price. I'll tell you that much. All right, guys, this is going to be our last final test. This time it's going to be with Juan's Canon DSLR. It's a 77D. One thing that we did notice is that little adapter that the mics come with is required on the DSLRs and on the GoPros. If you don't use it, then you don't really get any sound. So you need to have that adapter for them. Now on the iPhone, it's a whole different story. But anyways, we're going to do this final test real quick. So let's do 6 feet. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is about 15 feet. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is our 30 foot. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This right here is about 50 feet. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This right here is about 100 feet. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. And there you have it, guys.
All right, guys. So this is our little exit interview, I guess you can say, with the mic. Now that we tested them out, to me, it sounds amazing. You know, like we said earlier, probably the best advice we can give is make sure that the mic is not rubbing on anything. If you're going to be doing any kind of walking or any kind of action shots, that rubbing will probably come through on the sound. So if you keep that away, you'll probably be in good shape. Robert, what did you think?
I think they're great. I mean, as you can see, I'm wearing it right now, so that's what we're recording on.
Yep.
It's not actually coming from our iPhone. And I think they're great. I mean, they obviously don't get tangled up easy. I mean, very, very easy to use. I mean, anyone can use them, and it's just basically an on switch. You really don't have to pair them, you know.
No, you turn them on and you're good to go.
Yeah. And then also, like, if, you know, the GoPros, one thing that you will require, as they don't have headphone jacks, of course, is this little GoPro adapter. It's about $50 on Amazon. That's where I got it from. And it comes with the port there, so you can stick in the microphone, and then this goes on the side of your GoPro. Let me see my GoPro real quick. Yeah, so you can buy this case on Amazon as well. It's made by Artman. And the adapter, the GoPro adapter, would actually go in here, as you can see. Actually, it goes all the way around, and then this cord comes out and plugs into there, and that's where you plug in your headphone, or your microphone, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's how it works on the GoPro. So if you have a GoPro and that's what you're wanting to use, you will need one of these adapters.
Yep.
But other than that, I mean, I think they're great.
Bietrun, we don't know the official name. We just hope it's Bietrun. But honestly, I'm sold on them. For, like I said, for $30 on Amazon, link will be in the description. I'm sold on them. So we'll be using them on our videos as we go forward. So hopefully this video was, you know,
helpful and informative, I guess. You know.
And stick around. Like I said, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And just keep on watching us for the next one, I guess.
Thank you, guys.
All right.